In the intricate tapestry of human health, vitamins play a crucial role, serving as the threads that weave together the fabric of our well-being. Among these essential nutrients, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, stands out as a vital contributor to various bodily functions. Often overshadowed by its more popular counterparts like vitamin C and D, the significance of thiamine cannot be overstated. It is a powerhouse nutrient that fuels our energy production, supports our nervous system, and plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall health. Vitamin B1 is a water-soluble vitamin that is part of the B-complex family. It was the first vitamin to be discovered, which is reflected in its designation as B1. Thiamine is integral to the metabolism of carbohydrates, which are our primary source of energy. Once ingested, thiamine is converted into its active form, thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP, which acts as a coenzyme in several key biochemical reactions. These reactions are essential for transforming glucose into energy, a process that not only fuels our daily activities, but also sustains the vital functions of our organs. The importance of thiamine extends beyond energy metabolism. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. This is particularly significant for maintaining cognitive function and emotional well-being. The brain, which is a voracious consumer of glucose, relies heavily on thiamine to ensure optimal functioning. Without adequate levels of this vitamin, the brain's ability to process information, regulate mood, and maintain focus can be compromised. Imagine a bustling city where each street represents a different pathway through which energy and information flow. In this city, thiamine acts as a traffic light, directing the flow of glucose to where it is needed most. When thiamine levels are sufficient, the city thrives. Energy pulses through its streets, and the inhabitants feel alert, focused, and alive. However, when thiamine is in short supply, the traffic lights malfunction, leading to chaos. Energy becomes scarce, and the once vibrant city is left feeling sluggish and disoriented. The benefits of thiamine extend to the cardiovascular system as well. It plays a role in ensuring that the heart functions efficiently by supporting the metabolism of carbohydrates and fats, which are crucial for maintaining healthy blood circulation. A well-functioning cardiovascular system is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues throughout the body, enabling them to perform their functions effectively. Thiamine also helps regulate the production of certain neurotransmitters that are involved in heart function, further underscoring its importance in maintaining overall health. In addition to these roles, thiamine is also involved in the synthesis of ribose, a sugar molecule that is essential for the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of our cells. ATP is required for a multitude of cellular processes, from muscle contraction to DNA replication. Without thiamine, the body struggles to produce the energy it needs to sustain life. Despite its critical functions, many individuals remain unaware of the importance of thiamine, leading to potential deficiencies that can have serious health consequences. Thiamine deficiency is particularly prevalent in populations with limited access to a varied diet, such as those living in poverty or in regions where certain staple foods dominate. Additionally, certain lifestyle factors, such as excessive alcohol consumption, can interfere with thiamine absorption and utilization, further exacerbating the risk of deficiency. The effects of thiamine deficiency can be profound and debilitating. One of the most well-known conditions associated with thiamine deficiency is Beriberi, a disease that manifests in two forms, wet and dry. Wet Beriberi affects the cardiovascular system, leading to symptoms such as swelling, shortness of breath, and heart palpitations. Dry Beriberi, on the other hand, primarily impacts the nervous system, resulting in muscle weakness, numbness, and impaired coordination. In severe cases, it can lead to Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a serious neurological disorder characterized by confusion, memory loss, and ataxia, a loss of control over bodily movements. Take, for instance, the story of a young man named John. John was a vibrant individual, full of energy and ambition. He worked long hours at a demanding job, often skipping meals and relying on fast food for convenience. His diet was lacking in variety, and he rarely consumed whole grains, legumes, or fresh fruits and vegetables, foods that are rich in thiamine. Over time, John began to notice changes in his body. He felt fatigued, struggled to concentrate, and often experienced muscle weakness. Initially, he attributed these symptoms to stress and the demands of his job. However, as weeks turned into months, his condition worsened. He found himself forgetting important tasks, and his once sharp mind felt clouded and unfocused. Eventually, John sought medical help, where a thorough examination revealed a significant thiamine deficiency. His doctor explained the importance of this vitamin, emphasizing how it was vital for energy production, cognitive function, and overall health. With a renewed sense of purpose, John committed to making changes in his lifestyle. He began incorporating thiamine-rich foods into his diet, such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. He also prioritized balanced meals and made a conscious effort to reduce his reliance on processed foods. Within weeks, John began to notice a difference. His energy levels improved, and he felt more alert and focused at work. The muscle weakness that had plagued him started to dissipate, and he regained his confidence. The transformation was not just physical, it was also mental and emotional. With adequate thiamine levels, John found himself more engaged in his life, more present in his relationships, and more capable of tackling challenges that came his way. John's story is not unique. Many individuals unknowingly suffer from thiamine deficiency, often because of lifestyle choices or dietary habits that do not prioritize nutrient-rich foods. The impact of deficiency can ripple through various aspects of life, affecting not only physical health, but also mental well-being and emotional stability. It serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our bodily systems and the importance of nurturing our bodies with the nutrients they require. To prevent thiamine deficiency, it is essential to understand the dietary sources of this vital nutrient. Thiamine is found in a variety of foods, making it relatively easy to incorporate into a balanced diet. Whole grains, such as brown rice and oats, are excellent sources of thiamine, as are legumes like lentils and beans. Nuts and seeds, particularly sunflower seeds and macadamia nuts, also provide a healthy dose of this vitamin. Pork, especially lean cuts, is another significant source, and it has been a staple in many traditional diets. Furthermore, fortified foods, such as cereals and bread, can contribute to thiamine intake, helping to ensure that individuals meet their daily requirements. The recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for thiamine varies by age, sex, and life stage. For most adults, the RDA is around 1.1 to 1.2 milligrams per day. However, certain populations, such as pregnant and breastfeeding women, may require higher amounts to support their increased energy needs. It is essential to consult with healthcare professionals to determine individual needs and to identify any potential risk factors for deficiency. In addition to dietary sources, it is crucial to be mindful of factors that can affect thiamine absorption and utilization in the body. Alcohol consumption, for instance, can significantly impair thiamine absorption in the intestines and increase the risk of deficiency. Chronic stress, certain medical conditions, and even some medications can also interfere with thiamine levels. By being aware of these factors, individuals can take proactive steps to safeguard their health and ensure they are getting the nutrients their bodies need. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, it is easy to overlook the simple yet profound impact that nutrition has on our well-being. Vitamin B1, with its myriad roles and benefits, serves as a reminder of the importance of nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients. It is a call to action to prioritize our health, to seek out foods that support our vitality, and to cultivate a lifestyle that embraces balance and wellness. In a world where convenience often trumps nutrition, taking the time to educate ourselves about the importance of vitamins like thiamine can empower us to make informed choices. It encourages us to explore the vibrant array of foods available to us, to experiment with new recipes, and to celebrate the culinary traditions that have stood the test of time. By embracing a diverse and nutrient-rich diet, we not only honor our bodies, but also pave the way for a healthier future. In conclusion, vitamin B1, or thiamine, is an essential nutrient that plays a multifaceted role in maintaining our health. Its contributions to energy metabolism, cognitive function, and cardiovascular health underscore its importance daily. The consequences of deficiency can be severe, impacting physical and mental well-being. By prioritizing thiamine-rich foods and being mindful of factors that affect absorption, we can take proactive steps to support our health and vitality. Ultimately, the journey toward optimal health begins with understanding and appreciating the essential nutrients that sustain us, allowing us to thrive in a world that demands our best selves.